Good morning, students. Today we will solve the questions from exercise 14.1, that is factorization. In previous video, students, you have find that how can we factorize the algebraic expressions and how can we take the common between the factors of expression. Now, we will solve the questions related to the factorization. So, students, first question is given here, and in this question find the common factors of the given terms. So, first 12x and 36, there are two terms, students, and we have to find the common factors. So, first of all we will find the factors of 12x, and after that we will find the factors of 36. And after finding out the factors of these two, we will find the common factors. So, 12x, factors of 12x, students, 12 it means, students, prime factors of this number first, divided by 2, that is 6. After that 6 is also divisible by 2. So, this 2 3 is 6 and 3, that is 1. So, factor of 12, that is 2 into 2 into 3, and this one into x, and factor of 36, that is 36. Now we have to find the factor of 36, student, and if we find the prime factors of 36, then it will be first divided by the prime number, that is 2, least prime number. So here 2 1 is 2, 1 16, 2 8 is 16, again it is even number, so it will be divisible by 2. So after dividing it 2, then we will get 9, and 9 is not divisible by 2 because it is odd number. So find next prime number, that is 3, 3 3 is 9, and this one 3, again divided by 3 1. So prime factors of 36 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So this one 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So students, what is common in between these two terms? So this one 2 is common, again 2 is common here, and this one 3 is common, students. So common factors, students, that is 2 into 2 again into 3. So common factors are 2 into 2 into 3, or we can express it 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12. So 12 is common in between these two terms. Now we will solve third part of this question, student, and in this we have to find the common factors. So first term is 14pq, students. Now find the factors of 14pq. First of all we have to find the prime factors of 14, students. So prime factors of 14 will be 2 into 7, 2 7 is 14, students, and these numbers are prime numbers. So 2 into 7 into p into q. So prime factors of 14pq are 2 into 7 into p into q. Now we have to find the prime factors of the second term, second expression, that is 28 p square q square. So 28, students, that will be 2 into 2 into 7. 2 into 2 into 7, 2 2 is 4, 7 is 28, and these are the prime factors of 28, students. Now p square, we can express p square like this, p into p, 2 times, students, and q square, that is q into q. So now we have to find the common factors. Common factors, what will be common? First of all, this 2 is common, student. So we have to write here 2, and again 7 is common here students, this one into 7 into next common is that is p. At least one time p is present in both expressions students. So we have to take p that is common. Again q is common student. At least one time q is present in these two expressions. So that is q. So common factors are 2 into 7 into p into q. These are the factors students. So we have to multiply these common factors, that is 2 7 ja 14 and this one pq. Common factor will be 14 pq. Now we will find the common factors of fifth part of this question. So there are three terms students. This one first expression, second expression and this one third expression. So find the factors of all expressions first. So first that is 6abc. It means students 6, what are the factors of 6? That is 2 into 3 into a into b into c. These are the factors of 6abc. Now we have to find out the factors of 24 a b square. 24 factors of 24 students. So find the factors of 24 first. This one divided by 2 12 and this again by 2 6 again divided by 2 and this one 3 and 3 1. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 3 ja 24. So it will be 2 into 2 into 2 3 times, that is 8 into 3, 8 3 ja 24 into, now a one time here students. So a into b square, it means we have to write b two times, b into b. Now we will find the factors of 12a square b students. So 12a square b. So factors of 12 student, that is 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12. These are the prime factors of 12. And a square, it means you have to write two times a here. A into b. These are the factors of 12a square b. What are the common factors in these three expressions we have to choose now. So first this one 2 one time it is common. Common factors, that is 2 first, and this 3, at least one time 3 is present in all. So 3, this one is common, 2 into 3 into a, at least one time a is present in these three expressions students. So this one a is common, a into b, b is at least one time present in all expressions student. So we have to take b here. Now students, c is not in any other expression, so we have to left that. Clear? We have to choose only common factors, which are the common in these three expressions. So 2 3 ja 6 a into b, that is ab. Answer will be 6 ab. And remaining part of this question you have to do yourself students. This is question number 2 students, and in this question we have to factorize the following expressions. We have written here three parts of the question number 2, that is first part, fourth part and seventh part. This is the part first of question number 2, and in this 7x minus 42. So, first write this expressions 7x minus 42. So, there are two terms students. First term is 7x and second term is 42. First of all, we have to find the factors of these 7x and factors of these 42. After that, we will find the common factors students. So, first factors of 7x, 7 is a prime number students. So, factors will be 7 into x. After that, we have to find the factors of 42 students. So, factors of 42, it means we have to divide this 42 by 2 first. So, 2 2 ja 2 1 ja, this one 21 and 21. Now, we have to use another prime number, that is 3, and 3 7 ja 21. Now, 7 1 ja 7. These all are the prime numbers students. So, prime factors are of 42 are 2 into 3 into 7. So, 2 3 ja 6, 7 ja 42. Now, what is common in between these two terms are the factors of 7x are this and factors of 42 are this. So, what is common? That is 7 is common students. So, in these two terms we have to take 7 common. 7 is common here student. What is remain here in the first term students? That is x, and in second term what is remain? If we have taken 7 common, then only 2 into 3 is remain here. So, minus 6. This is the answer student. This is the factorization of 7x minus 42. This is same as 7 into x minus 6. So, this is factorization of 7x minus 42. Now, we will factorize this one minus 16z plus 20z cube. Students, this is fourth part of the question, that is question number 2nd, and we have to factorize this. So, first of all we have to factorize minus 16z. So, students, minus 16z, it means first minus 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? 4 times. 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16. So, this one is minus 16. We have multiplied here by minus 1. Now, into z. So, it all are the factors of minus 16z. Now, we have to find the factors of this one 20z cube, 20z cube. So, factors that will be 2 into 2 into 5, 2 2 ja 4, 5 ja 20. Now, z 3 times, z into z into z. So, students, in this we have to take the common factors first. So, write this first step 16z plus 20z cube, and now take common factors, that is 2 into 2 into z, it means 4z. So, 4z is common here students. We have to take this one common, 4z, and in bracket what will be remain students, because 2 and 2, this 2 2 ja 4 we have taken as common, minus 1 is remain here students. So, minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2 into 2, that is minus 4, 2 2 ja 4 into minus 1. So, in the first expression there will be minus 4 remain, and in the second expression students we have taken this 2 and 2 common. So, remaining part will be 5 into z into z. So, this one plus 5z square. So, this one is the answer student, 4z into minus 4 plus 5z square. And in this part, 7th part of the question, we have to factorize this. So students, there are three terms. First term is 10a square, second term is minus 15b square, and third term is 20c square. So in first term we find that factors of 10, that is 2 into 2 into 5. 10a square, student, that is 2 into 2 into 5. And in this question, student, 10a square minus 15b square plus 20c square, we have to factorize this one. So first of all, we have to find the factors of 10a square, after that minus 15b square, and after that we have to find the factors of 20c square. So first find the factors 10a square, that is 2 into 5 into a into a. There are 4 factors, students, and this one minus 15 b square, that is minus 1 into 3 into 5. 3 5 are 15, students, and this one negative, so we have taken here minus 1. If we multiply this, minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3 into 5, minus 15 into b into b, and after that we have to take 20c square. So in this, what are the factors of this 20c square? 2 into 2 into 5, 2 2 ja 4, 5 ja 20 into c into c. C will be 2 times because here c square. So what is common in between these? So we find that in these 3 expressions, at least 5 is common one time. Clear, students? 5 is common in these 3 terms. We will write this expression like this: 10a square minus 15b square plus 20c. Now take common, that is 5. So first one, 5 is common, student. So after taking 5 as common, what will be remain in the first part? In 10a square, that is 2a square. 2a square here, students. In second part, what will be remain? That will be minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3b into b, minus 3b square. And third part into 2, that is 4, and c into c square. So after factorizing, the answer will be 5 is one factor and other factor is 2a square minus 3b square plus 4c square. So this one is the answer, student.